A minor speeding stop seemed like just a warning, but as the officer approached, he had no idea he was walking into a tense drug case. The strong smell of marijuana wafting from the car, the driver's uneasy glance, and a sudden confession, all signs that this was anything but a routine stop. The strong smell of marijuana wafting from the car, the driver's uneasy glance, and a sudden confession, all signs that this was anything but a routine stop. But as he approached the window, a familiar smell made him alert, the strong odor of marijuana. The officer immediately asked Olivia if she had a medical marijuana card. Olivia appeared confused, and the officer took note of that.
It's not on me.
You smoking in the car recently or something? You're good. Does he have one on?
Yeah, my wallet.
You smoked weed in this car before?
I mean, maybe a friend when they borrowed it or something. But,
oh, how recent was that?
I mean, I let my friend take my car like every other day, usually work, but...
Okay, no problem. You got insurance on the car?
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad, man. It was just 37. You got to come down to 30, all right? And then also when you...
35.
No. Also, whenever you come to a stop sign, can't be like past that first stop bar. Does that make sense? You were kind of inching into the intersection before you did stop, but yeah, you were a little bit too far, but beyond the stop sign. All right, ain't a big deal. I'll give you a warning, okay?
Well, I'm gonna tell. I don't have a license.
Okay, I'll work with you.
Thank you, sir.
Do you know about how fast you were going?
I thought I was going 35. She said it was 35 on land.
Around, so you were thinking maybe around 35. Yeah. So 37 sound accurate.
I was like, she's like, it's 35 on Langley.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, I seen the cop get behind me, and I was like, I didn't want to go, you know what I'm saying, too slow and look, you know.
Yeah,
so I was like,
so 37 sound right?
What, 37?
Yeah, I mean, you were trying to stay around 35.
Yeah.
Okay. So nobody has a medical marijuana card?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. Is that something you guys are in the works in doing, or what's the deal?
Yeah, I mean...
Okay.
It's just like
I would like to eventually. Yeah.
So...
It's quite...
Well, while you're bringing that up, I'm going to run in my car real quick, all right?
Okay.
Just leave this door open.
Okay.
The man in the driver's seat was identified as Christopher Lane, 32 years old. He appeared calm and polite, but when asked for his license, he handed over a Florida ID and openly admitted he didn't have a valid driver's license. Christopher's license had been suspended 7 times before, a lengthy record, enough to warrant immediate arrest.
I was just telling her, like, every time I make progress on paying, I owe like $7,500 for my license. So, like, I was just telling her, every time I make progress on paying, you know what I mean? Something happens and wham, I owe, and we stack the fines up on me in the court call tonight. But just like, you don't really be able to get my license.
Are you able to get like a business purposes only one, so you can drive to and from work?
A hardship?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking.
But you don't have to pay, basically just to apply. It's not like a guarantee.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's like a case-by-case approval kind of thing?
I have to pay half of my fines, court costs, and fees before I can. So that would be like $3,800.
Yeah, that's unrealistic.
Yeah,
and then it's like, maybe, you know, because you have to go through like a bunch of steps to, I guess, like approve it or whatever. So it's not like...
It's not even a guarantee.
That you'll get it.
So if I went and took them all this money that we don't have to pay...
Like, take a chance. Take a chance and hope that you get it.
As the officer was explaining the violation, Christopher Lane confessed, "I don't have a license." That admission turned a minor incident into a much more serious legal matter. The strong smell of marijuana gave the officer probable cause to search the vehicle. He asked Christopher Lane to step out of the car. Lane complied, but his tension was unmistakable.
You met me before?
Oh, man.
This
What
193.
for driving?
Habitual?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, you're
I've never
habitual
had a
traffic.
license before. Every time y'all lock me up habitual, dude, they drop it to a misdemeanor because I've never had one.
You got nothing on you that's gonna get you in trouble?
No. Why do I have to go straight to jail every?
Because it's a felony, man. I think I arrested you for it too.
It's not a felony.
Yes, it is. Spread your legs for me.
Drop it every time, dude, at first appearance to a misdemeanor because I've never had a license.
Okay.
I thought you said you were gonna.
198, you have 15.
Why'd you even pull me over?
I told you speeding, the stop sign, and then
But
your
you
license.
turned around, you pulled a Yui right when we passed you for what? When I passed you on that road, you hit a Yui immediately.
I was just trying to turn around.
And got behind
Let's see
me.
for me.
Nah, man, that's
Sit down.
The officer then ordered Olivia to step out so the search could proceed, but she refused to cooperate. She argued that in Florida, the smell of marijuana alone was no longer sufficient grounds for a search. The conversation quickly escalated into confrontation. Due to her stubborn refusal, officers had no other option. Her screams shattered the quiet morning. The resistance only heightened the officers' suspicions. There was clearly something in the car she didn't want them to find.
I have probable cause to search your car now.
But in Florida, that's not a reason.
Step out.
Okay,
Step out.
Hands an email, keys, 34 all the way, ID card, black and gold, and 2017, yes, receive notice. And
Stop pulling away.
I'm not
pulling away, not valid deal.
I was not pulling at all.
I'm gonna tighten that one up.
You're going to stand over there with Officer Guthian. 190, I have a second opinion.
Of course. What is it?
It doesn't look damaged. Alright. I'm just gonna set that right there. So in the future, you can get out, like, we're giving you lawful commands to exit the vehicle, alright?
Yeah.
He's saying when he approached, he smelled marijuana, and neither one of you have a marijuana card, alright? That gives us probable cause to search the vehicle, okay?
I thought the law changed. in
No,
Florida
no,
about that being a
no,
probable cause.
no. If you don't have a medical marijuana card, then it's still illegal, alright? And the time to debate is not at that moment. That's why you got yanked out of the car.
Once both suspects were handcuffed, the search began. Officers discovered a burnt piece of foil and a small bag containing a white powdery substance, resembling meth or cocaine. That explained their panic and resistance.
You want to sit on the curb in the shade? Or are you good here?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Okay, yeah, we can go do that.
Can I bring this with me?
Let's leave that right there right now. Yeah, we'll just sit there so you can just get out of the sun.
He's like, no, I'm not. She just kept denying that I was going to search the car. And I was like, you're going to get out or I'm going to remove you. And she just, so I removed her. And she pulled away several times. So got resistant on her. And right now, just weed.
You guys are not her?
Possibly. I didn't search her because she's got
What's her name?
Olivia.
Body camera?
That does.
What you smoke? You're not sure what you smoke? What do you think you were smoking? Stretch your back a little bit further.
Freaking hot.
So this must have fallen. I can go around and it just slid underneath my hands.
Oh, that's actually, it looks like, yeah,
But this was, I mean, both of it in the garage.
all over the place in here.
Where was that aluminum foil?
What?
Where was that aluminum
In the
foil?
garage.
Okay. Alright, so note it.
Yeah, come on.
Can you,
Have gloves on.
Sean, can you Mirandize her real quick?
Yes.
she have like an addiction problem or something, man?
Huh?
Does she have like an addiction problem?
No, absolutely not.
What drugs is she using?
What are you talking about?
I found a white rock in her Sergeant Brierton found it in her crotch area with some burnt tin foil. Now the burnt tin foil is all over the car, right? And you're not in any trouble for it. I just want to know if she had like some kind of addiction problem or something.
No, she doesn't.
Has she ever used narcotics before?
No, she's a pothead. And she's not even been there. But hey,
She said?
She says cocaine.
She said it was cocaine.
That's what she said, but that was with hesitation.
Okay. What do you use cocaine with?
Faced with undeniable evidence, Olivia finally confessed. What began as a minor speeding violation had now escalated. Olivia and Christopher Lane were facing serious charges: drug possession, resisting law enforcement, and driving without a license. What began as a minor speeding violation had now escalated. Olivia and Christopher Lane were facing serious charges: drug possession, resisting law enforcement, and driving without a license.